Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the error 173. AMD software installer cannot proceed as no AMD graphic hardware has been detected in your system. So if you have a GPU or VGA by AMD Radeon and you want to update your graphic card, but you encounter this error. So the solution is ensure that your AMD graphic product is correctly installed on your motherboard and recognized by the operating system. If not installed correctly, or there is a damage, a defect, or you purchase or you buy the X mining GPU, you cannot use adrenaline driver, you will encounter this error. Usually the X mining GPU, there is a separate driver, not from the AMD official website, and you can try to search another driver for X mining GPU in other sources, in other websites. You can try to search by yourself in a trusted website. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also create a button below. See you in the next